Welcome to the body consciousness portion of Yoga for Living with Loss. And I want you to be comfortable. I want you to either sit on a blanket, maybe a chair, put a cushion under you. I'm going to be right on my mat. Follow along. And if something doesn't feel right, back off. If you have a yoga practice and you'd like to go further, please do. So what we're going to do is move our joints, most of them in the 6 directions of flexibility. It's about our physicality, but also it's about our movement of our joints. If we can be flexible in our joints, maybe we can be more flexible in our spirit, in our energy, in our emotions. So extend your legs out and just move your feet up, flex and point. Point and flex, moving those feet. And I believe that you should do this warm up every day just to let your body know you're awake, you're alive, and you're moving. When we're grieving, take your ankles around. When we're grieving, we congest, we stop the flow. So how can we keep the flow going? So move your ankles any way that feels comfortable, around, making them all the joints move, and then just shake it out. Vibrate through your legs. You are awake, you are alive, you are present. Our grief really constricts us. So how can we be more flexible, more vibrant as we go through the struggle of this grief? So then take your leg, one leg over, extend your other leg, and just have the leg resting on your extended leg. Take your baby toe and take it in the 6 directions of flexibility. Front, back, side, side, twist, twist. Each toe, front, back, side, side, twist, twist. I'm sure you don't give your toes as much love as you can. Front, back, side, side, twist, twist. Really moving through. If we can be more flexible in our toes, what can that do in our lives? Hold onto your foot, put your thumb right on your big, great toenail and pull it. Give it a little bit of movement. Many times our great toe is the stiffest, so we like to move it around a little bit. Now massage your toes. This is where your eyes, your ears, your sinuses, and reflexology. Massage the balls of your feet related to your lungs. Massage the arches of your feet related to your organs. And down to your heels for your pelvis, your legs, your feet. And then give yourself a good massage. If you have trouble sleeping at night, put a little warm oil on your hands and just give yourself a little massage at night. Then make a fist with your hand, rub up and down, wake up the bottom of your feet. And now put something in your hand you don't want to hold on to anymore and slap it out. Slap it out. Oh, I hear you. Slap it out so that you get rid of any angst. Then lift your leg and loosen. Loosen up that ankle. As we go through our grieving process, we get so stiff, we get so congested. Where can we be a little looser? And let's work the knee. Inhale, sitting nice and tall. Exhaling, belly to spine, leg long. Inhale. Exhale. Nice and slow, nice and long. Inhale. Exhale as many times as you like. As you go through this video, if there's a part you like, just press pause and do it a little bit longer. Take your leg in a pendulum swing, side to side, extending your other leg, sitting tall, and then circle around in one direction. Circle around in the other. Be curious. Do you want a small circle? Do you want a big circle? What is your body calling for? In yoga, we call the guru the teacher within. It's your body knowing what feels good, what needs to happen. Put your foot right back on your leg. Extended leg is flexed, hand on top, and now we open up our hips. Hand underneath your knee, circle around slow, keeping your leg attached to the extended leg, and circle the other way. Again, big circle, small circle. Hips hold a lot of our grief, our energy, our emotions. We sit in chairs and cars, and we get very constricted. This is our opportunity to open, to flush, to move. Lift your leg. Thank your leg for all it does for you. Give it a little cradle. Take a breath in. Exhale, bring your shin towards your heart. Stretch that psoas muscle. Then put your foot right inside your thigh, wherever it is for you. Other hand is down, and then you take your hand, you put it midway between your knee and your hip, and shake it out. Shake it out. How does it feel to let go of whatever you've been holding on to? Let it go. And then extend your leg, Arms back like pillars, heart soft, eyes closed. Feel the vibration through that leg, the prana. We have so many layers. We have our physical layer, our energetic layer, our emotional layer, our spiritual layer, and our blissful layer. Let's find those layers as we navigate our grief. And flutter your eyes open and take the other leg. Got to give equal love. Extend the leg, flex the foot. Baby toe, front, back, side, side, twist, twist. Front, back, side, side, twist, twist. Give those toes the loving they deserve. Twist, twist. Second toe, front, back, side, side, twist, twist. Again, when you get to the great toe, thumb on the toenail, press it, hold your foot and pull away, giving it space. Where in your life do you need more space? It might be beginning with your toe. When we make subtle, small changes, they can be very big shifts. Again, massaging your toes and massaging the balls of your feet. This is my homage to my father's. He was a podiatrist. He'd be so happy I have people rubbing their feet. Massage your organs by your arches and your heels. Giving this foot a little bit of love, and it might feel different than the other foot. Rubbing up and down, massage it. Especially if you live in colder climates and you're in boots, socks. Give your feet a little extra love. Then make a fist with your hand, rub up and down, waking up the bottom of your feet. Thank your feet for all they do for you. Then if there's anything left in your hand that you don't want to hold on to, slap it out. Waking up the bottom of your feet. Sitting tall, breathing. And then lift the leg and shake. Shake out that ankle. Loosen it up. When we have loose ankles, we have better balance. And what throws us off balance? Our grief. So we want to stay balanced any physically way we can. So then, hands behind, inhale, extended leg flexed, and heel out. Working through the knee, nice and slow. No need to go fast. Inhale, being kind to our bodies. Inhale, exhale. And then bend the knee, make a pendulum swing, and then circle. Small or big, one direction or the other. You're your teacher. What is your leg calling for you to do? Maybe a little bigger. Waking up the knees. Thanking your knee for all it does for you. Foot on the thigh, extended leg, hand on top, other hand underneath, and circle your knee around so you open up your hip and around. If you find a little tenderness, back off. Maybe you find a little tenderness, it needs a little extra love. You need to discover, as Pema Chodron, the beautiful Buddhist nun, says, the key to happiness is curiosity. Let's be curious. Lift your leg. Thank this leg for all it does for you. Cradle it side to side. Take a breath in. Bring the shin towards your heart. And then put this foot between your inner thigh, hand midway between your knee and your hip. Flex your extended leg and shake it out. Lift your heart. Shake it out. Where can you find more flexibility in your life? Let it start with your body. And again, extend, hands back like pillars, heart soft, eyes closed. Feel the prana going through that leg, the energy. Your legs look like they're still, but you can feel the movement, the energetic body, the nourishing, your tissues, your bones. Flutter your eyes open and bend your knees. Let's take the spine in 6 directions of flexibility. So you stick your bum out, fill your belly, fill your ribs, fill your chest, lift your chin, flush it out. Exhale and round, belly to spine, chin to chest, nice and round. Visualize how your spine is moving, giving it that flexibility, space between your vertebrae. Many lower back issues come from not using your spine as much. Exhale and round. Feeling how your spine is moving. Arch and round. One more time. Arch. Hold it. And round. And hold it. Come up. Fold your legs in, and just when you get there, go the other way. How can we find ourselves to be comfortable in the not comfortable way? So inhale, filling your abdomen, your ribs. Put your hand down and reach your other arm over, reaching the spine in the lateral directions. Want to warm everything up. We inhale in the center, exhale belly to spine as we go over. Visualize how your spine is moving, lengthening, hips are into the earth. We're warming up each part of our body, that our joints, our movement, our flexibility. And over. Take a breath in. Inhale. Reach your arms out. Let your hips melt to the earth. Lift your heart. Soften your jaw. Feel your fingers moving away from each other. Lengthening. How much space can we take up? Expand. Take a breath in. Take one hand behind you, the other hand to your thigh. Twist front ribs to back ribs. Lower your chin. Open your heart and breathe. Twisting, detoxifying, lengthening. Don't strain your neck. Come back to center. Inhale. And again, at any time, feel that you can pause and lengthen. And do it a few more times. We're twisting. We went arch and round. We went side to side. And now we go twist, twist, just like our toes. How do we find more flexibility in our bodies, in our spirit, in our emotions, in our spine? And around. Take a moment, hands down to calm, and just scan your body. Feel the vibration right through your spine. Roll your shoulders, flutter your eyes open, and roll your shoulders in either direction. We hold so much tension in our shoulders, around and around and around. As you notice, people in grief are always curved in. How do we be open? How do we get long neck, open heart? Take one shoulder up and down, a little bit of attitude, and the other shoulder up and down. Breathing, and both shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down. And release, long neck. Feel the energy in your shoulders. Bring your arms forward. Inhale, press your palms away. Exhale, lift your palms on the inhale. Exhale and open and down. Again, inhale forward. Exhale, press. Inhale up. Exhale, open. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And open. Bring your hands in front of you. Thumbs in. Fingers over. Move your wrists in a circle. We use our wrists for driving and being on the phone, chopping. If you're an artist, any kind of thing like that, we want to keep those joints moving right in the wrists. Just keep it going. Keep it going. Bring your arms in, release. In, release. In, release. Bring your arms up and pull and reach and pull and breathe and pull. One more time. Reach up and pull. Bring your elbows to your shoulders. Twist to the side. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Close your eyes. Twist and go with any pace that feels comfortable for you. And twist, and twist, and twist. And last one, come to the center, open your eyes, reach your arms, feel the vibration. Breathe. Other side, inhale the other side and exhale. Inhale, exhale, twist. Feeling everything move through the ribs. Keep it going and make it faster or slower. Close your eyes. Whatever's comfortable for you. Come back to center on 3, 2, 1. Eyes open, arms up, and feel that vibration. Come back to center, press your fingers together, working the joints right in your fingers. Now, take your one hand and shake it out. Shake it out, front and back, shake it out. Shake it harder, shake it harder, shake it harder. Close your eyes, palm up. And feel the vibration through your hands that do so much for you. Your fingers. Feel the warmth. Take the other hand. Shake it side to side, front and back, side to side, harder and harder and harder, and palm up, eyes closed. Feel that vibration. Keeping your eyes closed. Take your ear to your shoulder. Slowly drop your chin to your chest. Slowly ear to the other shoulder, and either make a half circle or a full circle depending on the mobility and the strength of your neck. And go around, keeping your eyes closed, feeling the stretch through the neck, and around, and breathing, and chin to chest. Reverse the circle, around, and back, and around, slow, with the breath. You might hear crunch, crunch, crunch. It's just your neck saying thank you. And next time your chin comes to your chest, just let it sit and rest, lengthening the back of your neck. Come to center, take a breath in. Bring your chin over one shoulder. And back to center, and bring your chin over the other shoulder. And back to center. Bring your chin towards your armpit on the diagonal. And come center. Inhale to the other diagonal. And center. Open your arms and breathe. And lengthen. Take one arm on top. Give yourself a big hug. Walk your hands behind you. And give yourself a big hug for being part of Yoga for Living with Loss today. Now, take your hands behind you and either reach them or clasp them and open your heart to receive. Now is the yoga. Take the other arm on top and send a hug to someone you really don't want to hug. That's the yoga. And reach your arms back. Again, open your heart, reach away. Take your hands, tap the very back of your skull, tap around your ears, tap your temples, tap your hairline, tap on the very top of your head and go from side to side, back to front. Tap it harder, tap it harder, tap it harder. Hands up, eyes closed. Feel the tingle at the very top of your head. Maybe you just got a few more IQ points. And this is your opportunity to scan your body. You've worked your toes, your ankles, your knees and your hips, your spine, your shoulders, your elbows and your wrists, your fingers, your neck, and now the tingle at your head. You're safe, you're secure, and you're ready to explore the asanas of chakras. Thank you. Namaste.